Hello everyone. Today would you like to disciple the software engineer I admire the most. He is a software engineer in Vivat company. He is about 60 years old. He is tall, strong, and has short white hair. He is very friendly and very kind and hardworking. His job is design, develop, and test software artificial. I like he is wearing uh, coverall and uniform company at work. Uh, he is he is also wearing jeans and shirt at home. I like his style. Uh, I admire I admire for his I admire for it because he is very hardworking and never giving up. Thanks for listening.